welcome everyone to my new channel. I'm so glad you're here. So I wanted to introduce myself and give you an idea of why I created this channel. I go by PlateauSigma, which is my gamer tag on PS5, so feel free to add me and maybe we can game it up sometime. Also remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So the reason I started this channel is because I do have the background experience and history to be able to comment on these topics. I've done pretty well for myself, and I found that a lot of people don't have the financial education or philosophy that is fundamental for success. I can't tell you how many people come to me and ask for advice that's basic for me, but they have no understanding of the financial world. In the past, I've advised people on everything from reducing credit card debt to buying a house to starting a business, and everyone who's taken my advice have done pretty well, and they have proof in the numbers. So a little background on me: I grew up in a lower class family. I made the financial decision to not live like that anymore, and I started on my own journey by doing. I took, I think it was 2 business classes at the local community college, which I found boring, and that's it. The rest I just did on my own by researching, investigating, and spending a lot of time in the library. For you young people out there, library is basically the old version of Google. So I've worked the minimum wage jobs, I've worked at the big banks, I've owned a small business, and I've worked on building my own assets. In other words, I'm just like you. I started at the bottom and worked my way up, and I'm still working. My goal here is to give you the financial knowledge to make yourself successful and live the life that you want. Yeah, for free. I've helped all these people for free, so why not you? It makes me feel good hearing the success stories after, so hopefully I'll be hearing yours soon. So look, I just thought it was easier this way rather than be fielding phone calls from friends and then having their friends ask me for advice. And look, as you can tell, I'm not a broadcaster, but I'm gonna try my best. At the very least, you'll save some money by listening and watching my channel. You're gonna notice that a lot of my videos are basic, but that's because I don't believe in those flashy videos and, people talking with those weird voices to get you interested in blah, blah, I get it. Flashiness keeps people interested and watching your video and all that, but those videos usually are selling you something in the process. There's always some ulterior motive in place. Also, you'll notice that they don't even get to the point, or they don't cover the topic thoroughly. Then they tell you to watch another video, or worse, buy the thing that they're selling. Now, I'm not going to tell you to watch any other of my videos, because I think I'm giving you here valuable content, but I'm not here to get rich off of you. I'm here to make you rich. All I ask is for you to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and support the advertisers who may or may not sponsor the videos. Yeah, it'd be nice to make a little bit of cash for my time spent, but this channel is really about you. What sets me apart from all the other financial channels and all your little TikTok videos that give you the latest and greatest trend is that I'm going to give you more value for the time spent watching this channel in the place of all that flashiness. So you guys remember that Indiana Jones movie at the end where the Holy Grail of Christ, it wasn't the flashiest chalice. On the contrary, it was the most humble wooden cup, but it was the most valuable cup, that little carpenter's cup of the King of Kings. So that's how I view my channel. Humble, but very valuable. I'm a humble person, so I would greatly appreciate your support, and I'll keep adding content as I go. An example of topics I'm going to cover soon is NFTs, mortgages, should you refinance, credit card debt, cryptocurrency, starting a small business, everything that has to do with money. We're going to even go into the historical facts on money. What it is, what does it mean, and lastly, maybe some philosophical topics in regards to money. Something like, well, what does it mean to be rich? Why do you really want that expensive item? So I'm asking you to join me on this journey to financial independence. You won't regret it. Remember, my goal is to make you rich. My goal is to make you money by applying what I'm talking about from a YouTube video, this YouTube channel. So when you follow my advice and make money and get rich off of just watching my channel, trust me, when you're successful and you have all that money sitting in your bank account or invested or anything like that, I'll be right there by your side to ask you for 20 bucks.
You have chosen wisely.